All right, we just got this in the mail. Relax Neck and Shoulder Kneading Massager. It's wireless, it heats, and it kneads. So it's a deep massage for the whole body. So let's take a look at it and see what we got. Let's unbox this bad boy. What do we have here? Yeah. All right, it does come with a charger, or not a charger, it just comes with a USB-C. So you're gonna need a block. Nothing ever comes with a block these days. What's that? I guess that's nothing. So here it is. It's all wrapped up, so we gotta unwrap it. This is like, oh, here we go. All right. So check it out. It has, this is the universal on button, and this is some type of vibration. This must be heat. I don't know what that is. But let's go ahead and let's just press this and see if there's any charge in it. I think you have to press and hold it, yeah. So there, you can see the movement on it. Now I'm going to press this and let's see what it does. Does it change? Yeah, a little bit different. You see that? It's kind of like shaking. Here's the heat. Let's see what this one does. Oh, that one does it more squeezy. Look, see how it opens more? All right, looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see if we turn it off. That's how you turn it off. So here's the port for it. All right, so it's USB-C. So to charge it, you're gonna plug that in, and then you're gonna need a block, right? So, I don't know if I'm going the right way here. Nope, I'm not. I hate these things. Wish they could devise a different method. All right, so we're gonna need a block for this. You know what I mean? But we can charge it if we have an iPhone block. All right, so just gotta plug this in here, and then I gotta plug that into the wall. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge her up. Just gonna plug it in here, right? And you can see that this came on. That's showing it's charging. So we'll just leave it here and let it charge, and then we'll come back and we'll try it. All right, check it out. We've got a white blinking light. That means this bad boy is charged up and ready to go. So let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so I just need to unplug it. So we're just gonna pop this off. I think we're gonna pop it off. Oh, it's on there, huh? Okay, save that because we may need to use that. Let's put that right over here. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. See what we think. All right, so here we are. And the way it goes on your back is these thingamabobs, I think, go into your, like this. You're gonna go like this, right? It's gonna go right on there. Now this is kind of cool because you can just stick your arms in here. And I didn't see this feature on other ones, but that gives me a lot of pressure that I can push down on. And I may want to just pull my hair out of there so it doesn't get caught in there. They say not to wear necklaces and stuff with this because I think that it could be a problem. So let's go ahead and press this. We're gonna hold it. And it's gonna start. Ooh, oh my God. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, that's good. Oh, that's really strong. I mean, it's really strong. Oh, it's really squeezing. All right, so let me see if I can flip around here so you can see it. It's definitely gets in there. Oh. You can move it like a little like that and just get a little bit lower on it. Yeah. Wow. So I gotta say, you can definitely feel it, man. It's really cranking it. You turn to the side so you can see. See how it's going in? Really squeezing. And I'm pulling these out. You know what I mean? I'm pulling these out. I'm putting pressure on it. And I can kind of move it around just by changing it. Here. Now let's get it in like this. All right, check it out. Oh. Oh. All right, I think it works pretty good. Through the heat. Oh, there, I changed it. Look. Now it's doing a different pattern. All right, let's see what else we got here. Let's press this. And it really squeezes. Oh. Oh. Whew. That's intense. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Oh. Whew. So it's almost like too hard. Here, let me show you. It looks like a baby upside down. Arr! Crazy. I wouldn't stick my face in there. That wouldn't be a good idea. All right, again, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.